Hello, my name is Denise with MyLuxuryFirst.com and I am a trach mom. I would like to show you how the suction catheters look outside of its packaging. Inside the package, the items are considered sterile and for single use inside the hospital, but at home you may use this one time or several times. You may find yourself opening a new package every 8 hours or maybe a package every single day, depending on how many you have to last you. Please note that using the catheter more than once may risk the possibility of cross-contamination or non-functioning of the product, but once you get home, you and your family will figure out what works best for you. So this is the package, and you're going to make sure that you wash your hands first and or use some type of hand sanitizer. They have lots of hand sanitizer at the hospital, and you can always buy hand sanitizer at the house. You're going to open it at the corners, and you want to be kind of like on a flat surface so that way you can put it down, but it does come with one glove. And in the hospital, you learn to do the suctioning like with one clean hand and one dirty hand. So you can use this one as your sterile clean hand. This is a powder-free vinyl glove. It's pretty easy because all you have to do is just peel open the packaging, remove the glove, put the glove on the hand that you want to be your clean or sterile hand, get the catheter in your basin, and proceed with the suctioning. The catheter has 1 centimeter numerical markings that commence at the 5 centimeter mark. These are prescription only, and you only get one catheter inside of each single-use package. So you can save your glove if you like and just make sure to keep it in a sterile area. You can actually put it back inside of the package and have it set over to the side somewhere if you would like. By the time you get home, your germs, especially if it's your kid, will be the same germs, so you probably won't really use your glove. But maybe if you have a nurse or a family member or someone else that's going to be helping you, or that you don't feel comfortable with them using their own like hands and stuff, you can hand over the glove to them. It's really pretty much simple. Also, the sizing for this one is an 8 FR or 8 French. And this concludes my unpackaging. I'm just documenting this for myself and or for you guys out there that may have a new trach patient or family member. So I hope that I have helped you. And if I have, go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up. I will be making more videos, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for your support, and have a great day. Bye.